all administrators of Cluster 5, to the parents, visitors, naranyag ang Ballesteros kada kayo amin. Some are still surprised regarding this greetings. Naranyag ang Ballesteros. Well, this is again very memorable day to us here in Ballesteros, because our district, our humble district, Ballesteros, was chosen again to be the venue of this end of year division staff conference. Napakaswerte po namin na lagi dito sa amin ginaganap ang mga ganitong activities or program activities of the DepEd. But how to say, my friends, whatsoever shortcomings we have here in Ballesteros, pagpupunuan nila lang. Well, as I said, it's again a pride and a privilege and an honor for us to host. Sana hindi kayo magsawa sa amin, especially yung mga yung dati papunta-punta na dito. Kasi ako mismo, nahihiya na po ako. Maning, baka lang. DJ Maning, baka lang. Baka may ano kayong, inaano ko na, ina-anticipate ko na lang. Nahihiya talaga po kami. Pero malaki rin karangalan sa amin. So, because as an scout, 2 weeks ago, Sarah Lepio called me up through phone, telling me that being